YouTube. Got another one for you. About to start working on the fuel pump for the truck. First thing I'm gonna do is clean the gas tank off. I'll probably get some primer or something to spray her so she don't rust no more. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, YouTube, about to sand her down so the primer stick better. Sand some of this rust down. Y'all take a look in there. I'm gonna hit it with some multi-purpose foam and prep cleaner. Back up under the truck, cleaning the off so I could work good up under there. I thought I hit record, but I ain't never hit it. Spraying the grease around this. I want y'all to let me know if y'all want to see me break these down, play with these a little bit. Or I got those on deck too. I love old cars. Got the little buggies. That's the Logie Truggy. And the red one is the Logie Buggy. Yeah, I'm cleaning her. I'm gonna break her all the way down. So let me know y'all if y'all want to see that content. All right, YouTube. I forgot to hit play again. But But yeah, I'm coating it with this thunderable primer first. Cover it with the other paint. I ain't got to way too hard. Alright, YouTube, it's time to paint now. I'm gonna paint it with this rust aluminum camera paint and primer black. YouTube, this paint right here in this can, yeah, I got to start buying this all the time. The coverage is crazy. Like, it don't even take that much. I ain't even halfway yet, and I'm about to finish the bar. She ain't the best, she got a little pitting in it, but still red enough. Look way better than it did before. Put y'all back on, we'll stall them. Alright, YouTube, changing the fuel pump out. And I took the old one out. Take this little ring, I'm gonna show you when I put it back in. And make sure you keep this old ring. Command didn't come with now. The old fuel pump. And then I got the new one. Alright, the little old ring you're gonna put back around there so when you replace it. And boom. Take the fuel pump. Put your tell you how much gas you got in your car. Put that in first, and put the little filter, and then you got the kind of work it in there, and then when you get it all the way in there, oh my joint not back. Make sure that lever straight back. When you get it like that, it's a little dent in the bottom of the gas tank. Just turn it, and boom. It's only one way this can go on. We got little grooves hanging at the bottom right here. They can. Let me show you. See, can I show you? Let's see the little grooves right there. And at the bottom of the fuel tank, the fuel pump, it got little grooves right there that goes in there. So it's only one way you can put it. Set y'all back up. Alright, boom. Got it right there. Make sure you set your little ring, it's a little groove around the hole too. Let that sit in. Let that sit in the little groove. Line your joints up. You'll feel it when it drop in. You shouldn't be able to turn it once you drop in the little holes. there. I can't turn it. Can't turn it either way. It's in there. But then this, you put that around the fuel pump, and that seats in this little joint, and it's like some little wings on it. Got it down now. I can show you. It's like these little wings on it. You see, you put it in right there, then you turn it, and you want to get the little groove right there, all the way back here. But how I do that? Get me a little chisel and a hammer. Take it right here. It's gonna stop. And that's all. Now it's time to install her. You too. I got a running boy. Running YouTube. I put that tank up there and jump, boy. It beat me up, y'all. I couldn't even record it, man. I'm sorry. Got 4 new boats up, y'all. 3 of them, so you know I couldn't get the old one off. Heavy, boy. Look at that bass. Good God Almighty. Yeah, but that should go YouTube. Can't wait to start cleaning this. That's all I needed for it to run. Valve cover gaskets up there. That's what you really need, though. The valve cover. Some things dirty. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. Got it running. That's it. My bad if I'm not showing y'all the tank. Boy, that thing real. Showed you how to put the fuel pump in. Alright, YouTube.